Limpopo 0, but unfortunately Amabhakani lost on penalties bafethu. Igame yafanele mfethu wole kanjani?
Yo, bro, I've never been proud.
Yeah.
I've never been proud of the Pirates. Ugabona utole lose mara you win. We understand. We won 3-0, bro. But at the end of the day we lost. But the game was not won on players. It was not won on the bench. It was supposed to be won by the office. You understand? Mina mangithi office bekumele sibasha ngomqondo from start, from airport bafika, from size sifike la esigodini. I liked one thing bafika lana bayenzani satheli ground ngamanzi abayijwayela ngalento le kuyashisa le yabona riding ekhongo yabona. So we tried. Ibhakaniya really they did try their best. It is unfortunate, my brother, ukuthi we lost because ekugcineni a game it's a win or lose. You understand? And amanyama player it's their first time to CAF Champions League. We need the likes of Abo Mahopa, we need the likes of Abo Spisi, the people who have been in Africa. Bafike bazobonisa amachita ukuthi kwenzakalani system ihamba kanjani. Igame ye-CAF bro ayifani negame ye-league. Igame ye-CAF idlala ngenqondo. You understand? Inqondo like from the word go nifike airport igame seyiqalile bro from mangena kuma change room igame seyiqalile ama player wethu mawafika lebo washawa ngama flying kick, but then we gave them the hospitality. We gave them sase sabashayela izandla mabaqeda ukuwina. We are not angeke siluze from here. Thina in our hearts amabhakani si happy. Uyawazi bro thina si happy ayikho iminye into engayikhuluma si happy bro.
Yeah, so my question to you mfethu, looking at the coach's tactics today in the first half he came without a number 9, no Mahopa, no Sniper. Umbuthumuze wangena second half. Mawubhekile, what was he trying to do?
Mamela yazi coach wethu ne he's so intelligent in a sense ukuthi mangabe ibhola will understand ngeke ubone. We didn't have Umbuli in the game. Umbule is very slow. Wenzani Umbule wenza igame ithike apha ama player wethu everything ne. Umbuthuma is hungry ne, is a youngster, but then ibheke ukuthi emuva wenzeni ucoach wethu wenzeni ufake ubani ufaka Umbuthuma is hungry, is a youngster and everything. He came with a goal. Imagine bra siwine 3-0. Siwine 3-0 after all. Siyakhala mara siwine 3-0, you understand? So we can only say ukuthi Umbuthuma he can be strong from this experience, you understand? But then we won at the end of the day. We can only go we are phambili sizitshela ukuthi azi Umbuthuma kule experience